Hello, Peter here, and today I'm going to show you how to install AMD graphics drivers for your AMD card. So, let's start. First, you need to know what graphics card you have. For that, you go in the search bar and type DXDiag. This is going to take a while because your computer needs to figure it out, all of its components. Click Display, and here you will find the name of your graphics card. I do not have an AMD graphics card, but this will not affect our tutorial. Then you go to Chrome and you type AMD drivers. Click the first page you see, and then you have two options: to automatically detect and install your drivers, or to manually select your driver. I recommend manually selecting your driver if you have found your card's name. Let's say we have an RX 480. You select desktop graphics, AMD RX series, RX 400, and Windows 10 64 bits. I think this is the Windows that most of you have that bought such a new graphics card. And show display. You should install Radeon software because AMD minimal setup isn't enough for everyday games, and you can trick some settings in there to get better performance. If you do not want to go with this list, you have another option: to automatically detect and install your drivers. You click download now, and this is going to download. It has about 40 megs. You click install,